Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you brand new to doing videos on YouTube and you don't know what type of videos you should be adding to your YouTube channel? Well, pay close attention, because in this video I'm going to share with you a real simple way of how to find ideas for your next YouTube video so that you can get it on your YouTube channel and start getting leads for your business. Before we get into the training, I want to tell you two quick things. Number one, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can do that by clicking on the subscribe button you see in the lower right hand corner of your screen, because I create content on almost a daily basis and I don't want you to miss a thing. Secondly, stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you how you can get access to a special free training on how you can use your YouTube channel to get more leads for your business within the next 24 hours. So let's get right to the training. One of the key success factors that really the top earners and home business owners do is they follow what is called the success formula. And Tony Robbins really breaks this down, where he says success leaves clues. And if you want results that the most successful home-based business owners, top earners, or people in your niche are getting, you want to model what they're doing. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. So when you're looking at your YouTube channel, and you really want to add some high quality videos that you know your market and audience are going to watch, you can literally go in and look at some of the top influencers and leaders in your niche and see what type of videos they are creating, and that can give you an idea of what you should be doing. So I'm going to share with you a real cool trick. This is a trick I learned from top YouTube marketing expert Nathan Lucas. If you're not following him, I really recommend that you do. He is known as the Freedom Influencer. And so I learned this real simple strategy from him, and it has helped me get an additional 8 to 10 leads per day from my YouTube channel. And it's by learning how to find what type of content to put out on my channel. So what you need to do first, before you start looking at the types of videos that I'm going to show you here, you need to be clear as to who your audience is. So you need to find out who's your audience and their biggest pain points, because not everybody is your prospect. When you prospect to everybody and market to everybody, you're marketing to nobody. So find out, who is it that is your market? Who is your target market? Is it the moms that are that just had their first child and looking to lose that baby weight? Is it the baby boomers who are looking to supplement their retirement income? Is it the young couple who want to stay home and raise their kids? Okay, what market are you looking to? And then what you need to do is, once you have that clear, find out who are the top leaders and influencers in that market space. And you can find that out by doing, a simple YouTube search and knowing who your leaders are. Maybe it's in your primary company, or in the home base, or in whatever the industry niche you're in general. So Nathan, I'm going to use him as an example here, because he targets the home-based industry and entrepreneur niche. Now, what Nathan did, and his story is so inspiring, is that he's just crossed he's coming up now on 200,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, and he literally exploded within the last 6 months with his YouTube channel. And so what he learned to do, he leveraged this very simple trick. So what you want to do is pick a YouTube channel of a leader influencer. And what I did is I picked Nate's channel here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on videos. And when you click on videos, you want to come up to where it says sort by. And you're going to click on sort by, and you want to select most popular. And when you do this, it's going to bring up on his channel the videos that are getting him the most views and most engagement. So let's look up here. He had 10 websites to make $100 per day, 1.5 million views. How to earn $100 with Google with a simple trick. Excuse me, 810,000 views. How to do a live stream on Facebook. 586,000 views. That was 2 years ago. And this is no paid advertising. Best online business to start for beginners, 376,000 views. So you can see here, you can scroll down and find out what type of videos they are doing. Then what you can do is if you see any that resonate with you, what you can then do, and I'm just going to pick one here. I'm just going to scroll through. I'm going to do, let's do this one here with adding subtitles. So I'm just going to click on this real quick. And then what you can do is you can then break down and you can see, all right, you can look at the his description, find out what he's talking about, how he's structuring his description in his YouTube video, and then watch the video. Okay, watch the video, and then if this is something that would resonate with your audience, and I know this would resonate with my audience, I went in, watched it, found a couple takeaways, and then I went in and I did a video, okay, sharing what I learned. What this does is now you're taking what you're learning. This is called an invest, learn, teach format, where you're investing time or money in learning a skill. Then you're going to do it, and then you're going to teach it via the video, doing a very simple how-to video. And that's what Nate did here. And look at, he got almost 45,000 views. And so this is something of a real quick way that you can do it. You're not plagiarizing, okay? You're not saying word for word, but what you're doing is you're taking the concepts and you're just putting it into your own words that's going to resonate with your market. And if you feel more comfortable doing it, you can say, hey, I'm real excited, and this, I'm going to show you today how I was able to learn from Nate Lucas here, one of the top YouTube marketing experts. He just shared a real cool trick on how to create captions for your YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you what I learned, and this is how you do it. Okay, you can give credit that way, and you can also give credit in the video description as well. So then you are acknowledging where you learned it from. So don't get so hung up that you have to create something brand new or come up with a new idea. Figure out what's working, what type of videos, okay, are the top influencers doing, and model what they're doing. That's really what the ultimate success formula is. Did you find this video helpful today for you? If you did, leave a comment and share. And as promised, I want to share with you a very special training that you can get that can help you get more leads using YouTube. Okay, and so this is a video training that my good friend Mark Harbert, he is also a top video marketing expert. And I'm just going to share with you real quick. This is a 90-minute training that Mark did. And what Mark does in this video training, he's going to share with you a couple of real easy ways that you can start getting your YouTube videos ranked and getting leads for your business. So he's going to share with you how to find the right keywords that you can search for, that people are typing into Google in your niche, so that your YouTube videos are going to get seen. He's also going to share with you how to structure your YouTube video. Okay, he's going to walk you through and say what is the great way to set up your video and how long your video should be, so that people are going to opt in and become a lead and eventually either be a customer or join you in business. He's going to share that. He's also going to give you right here, if you click on this button, he is going to give you a companion 101 Video Creation Idea Guide. So if you're still struggling as to what type of content to put for your YouTube videos, he's got 101 ideas that can help you. And if you use these 101 ideas in combination with the tip I showed you here on how to really study your top leaders and influencers in your niche and the type of videos they're doing, you're going to get results for your videos. And just using these techniques, I learned both from Nathan and from Mark, and Nathan also learned from Mark as well, that I'm able to get 8 to 10 leads a day just from my YouTube channel, implementing what Mark teaches here in this video. And I want to give you this training and PDF guide to you absolutely free. So to do that, here's what you need to do. You need to come up here and you need to type in www.drlisamthompson.com/YouTube leads. Okay, so that's www.drlisamthompson.com/YouTube leads. I'm just going to take you to a screen just like this. You just need to click on the download button and then enter in your best email address, and I will send it right over to your email box right away. So, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.